if you're a small and mid-market company, you've got to have some good systemic thinking and look down the road. Start preparing now to be able to weather this storm. Do you have simulations that are mapping out what will happen if your cash flow is constrained? Do you have simulations related to what happens if certain products are pulled out of your schedule? Have you had simulations, or are you doing an analysis to figure out how can you survive if everything just crumbles around you? You prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So that's the first thing. If you do this, if we all do this together, we're in this together. I see nothing but just a wonderful economic time for the region in the future. And here's why. I think that the U.S. government is going to infuse a lot more military work in our area into these OEMs. And I think if that military work flows down into the these small and mid-market companies that support these OEMs, it's just going to provide a really good economic foundation for the state of Connecticut and our region.